The smaller birds and pterosaurs scatter in its wake, clearing the sky for the king. Quetzalcoatlus wasn't just an inland hunter. It was a master of the coastlines as well. See it now, hunting along sheer coastal cliffs with powerful waves crashing against the rocks below. Its wings are fully extended, riding the updrafts created by the ocean winds. It's a scene of raw, untamed nature, where the power of the sky meets the power of the sea. Look closer at its feet, the sharp claws gripping a rocky outcrop with incredible strength, the detailed texture of its skin holding firm against the wind.